Good evening, students. Again, I am in front of you with in between questions, very short question, one or two word answers of the chapter Social Justice and the Marginalization. The question number one is that what do you mean by equal opportunity? It means the answer is that equality in front of the law, equality in the public society without the discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, or sex. Second question, that who was the person behind this providing equal justice and equal opportunity and social justice? And the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Name the person who is behind this philosophy. Name the person who is behind the philosophy of social justice and equal opportunity. The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, that where it was mentioned first in the constitution that equality, and the answer is in the preamble of the Constitution of India. So only in the preamble you can write the answer. Now, which article has has been introduced to abolish untouchability? The answer is Article 17. And which people were prohibited to enter the public places like temples, shops, restaurants on the basis of their caste? And the answer is scheduled caste people. Right? And who has given the name of Harijan to these scheduled caste people? And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, that next question you can take, that what is the full form of ST? The full form of ST is scheduled tribe. Scheduled tribe. What is the full form of OBC? The correct answer is other backward classes. How much reservation is provided to OBC? And the answer is 27%. And next question, which ministry looks after the policies to empower these other backward classes? And the answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment looks after the matters of other backward classes. Which article provides the equal status to women in India? And the answer is Article 15. Next question, which article has provided the right to equal pay for the women for equal work like men? And the answer is Article 39D. Article 39D. What is polygamy? The answer is the practice of having more than one wife is called polygamy, or the question may come like that: the practice of name or give one term for the practice of having more than one wives. The answer is polygamy. Which state? Name the state which became the first to ban the inhuman practice of manual scavenging. And the answer is Delhi. Name the state which became the first to ban the inhuman practice of manual scavenging. And the answer is Delhi. And again the same question with that, other question related to that, Delhi became the first state to ban the inhuman practice of manual scavenging in which year? And the answer is 2013. So these are the uh, very short in between questions of this chapter. I hope so that you will learn well, and in the weekly test you will be able to do that. Thank you. फिर मिलेंगे with the new video and new knowledge.